the shoes were on the other foot and you had to work with you, if you had to hire you, would you hire you? Would you be glad to see you every single day in lab? Or would you be like, oh, it's this guy again. What's going on?
Today is the day, guys. You're going to take your future into your own hands. You're going to dominate. You're going to be successful. No excuses, just dominate.
Today we're talking about summer opportunities, and it is a golden opportunity that too many students waste because they make one huge mistake. They think that they're going to make this huge impact in their extracurricular, and they're going to be this leader in the lab or leader in their volunteership, and that's how they're going to get ahead. They lean on their resume, on their titles, and they forget that the number one thing that people who work with you care about, and the number one thing that medical schools care about, is your character. And this is so important. The reason when you apply to medical school on the application, they talk about experiences, and then the three ones that you highlight, right? The most important ones, what do they call them? Most meaningful experiences, is that they're trying to get a sense of your character and that you house the characteristics that would make a stellar physician. And so if you aren't using your pre-med to demonstrate to others that you have the characters of an elite physician, you are missing the boat. And the number one aspect of character, and the easiest way to see, am I putting my best character forward? Am I embodying what it means to be a doctor? Is to ask yourself, are you the type of person that you would want to work with? So if the shoes were on the other foot and you had to work with you, if you had to hire you, would you hire you? Would you be glad to see you every single day in lab? Or would you be like, oh, it's this guy again. What's going on? And the inside of that character, right? And asking yourself if you want to show up, the biggest turnoff to everybody, guys, is entitlement. As you go through pre-med process, and this is one of the things that's frustrating about going through medical training, whether it's in the nursing field, whether it's in the physician field, whether it's in other fields, PT, OT, whatever it might be, is that as you go through your training, you're constantly going to be at the bottom of the totem pole because healthcare is a complex field. And so you're constantly learning new things. You're constantly being challenged. You're constantly being pushed to your brink. You're constantly being stretched beyond your capabilities. And so you always are not completely confident. You always are at the bottom of the totem pole and you don't have the most to offer. And so the way that you make up for not having the ultimate competency when you're going through training is that you show up as the ultimate character, the ultimate complement to the team. So it's not about competence when you show up to things, it's about complementing. Are you adding to the team in a positive way? And it starts with your attitude. You can't show up entitled, acting like somebody owes you something. I see it all the time. People show up, gimme. This is about me, it's about me. It's my experience, it's gonna mean something to me. It's not about you. And it's in like the writing, when you go into residency, it's in the writing. It's like, yeah, we're here for your education, all that kind of good stuff, training as a resident. But most importantly, it's about patient care first. The patients come first. And when you are a pre-medical student, you really have nothing to offer in terms of competency. So you're there to complement the team. And so the patient comes first, the attending comes second, the resident comes third. You're at the very bottom of the totem pole, and so you have to get in where you fit in. Don't show up asking, hey, what can you guys do for me? Show up and say, hey, what can I do for you guys? What can I contribute to you guys?
That's it for another episode of the Premed Productivity Podcast. Show your love by smashing the like button and commenting in the box below. Today is the day, guys. No more excuses, no more complaining. You're going to take your future into your own hands. You're going to dominate. You're going to be successful. I challenge you. What are you going to do today to make your life better? Get to my website, premedproductivity.com. Grab a free ebook, sign up for a free webinar, and if you're really ready to transform, enroll in one of my life-changing courses or coaching programs. You have greatness inside you. Let me show you how to unlock it so you can dominate and make your dreams a reality. No excuses, just dominate.